Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. What is acid rain? What type of rain is it? How are acids produced in the atmosphere that lead to this phenomenon? What negative impacts does acid rain have on the environment? Summary. What is acid rain? Acidic water droplets which damage the environment. Why is it called rain? Acidic water droplets formed in the clouds. It rains down when clouds with these acidic droplets are released. How do the acids form in the atmosphere? Fossil fuels contain sulfur. Sulfur reacts to oxygen. It becomes sulfur oxide. Sulfur oxide and nitric oxide react with water vapor and other chemicals in the atmosphere when sunlight is present. Acids formed usually dissolve in suspended water droplets in the clouds or fog. What are the adverse effects of acid rain on the environment? Lakes and rivers become too acidic for fish to inhabit it. Forests slowly die due to absorbing acidic rain. Marble structures deteriorate due to acid rain. And here are the word bullet points, which I just mentioned in the summary. Okay, so before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down while I follow all copyright laws. Sometimes things happen. You can do this by using snipping tool. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, follow these instructions. Click on the icon in your taskbar and then open up the program. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, then open up the program. Once open, click on video option, click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording, save your video. Thanks for watching, hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.